When it comes to personal safety and self-defense, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Among the various self-defense tools available, automatic knives have gained significant popularity due to their ease of use and effectiveness. An automatic knife, also known as a switchblade, is a versatile and reliable weapon that can be deployed quickly with a simple push of a button, making it a valuable asset in emergency situations. In this article, we will explore some of the best automatic knives designed specifically for self-defense. We will discuss their features, reliability, and practicality, empowering you to make an informed decision about which automatic knife is best suited to meet your self-defense needs. Whether you are a law enforcement officer, a security professional, or simply an individual concerned about personal safety, understanding the top options available will help you choose the ideal tool to enhance your self-defense capabilities. 5. SOG Folding Pocket Knife. The author provides a review of the SOG Trident Elite knife, highlighting its specifications and potential for utility and rescue use. The knife has a 3.7 inches clip point blade made of AUS 8 stainless steel, with a Rockwell hardness rating of RC 56 to 58. It features an assisted opening design, ambidextrous thumb stud, and glass-reinforced nylon grips with a rubber overmold. The knife has a glass-breaking tip and a groove in the grips that can be used as a rescue cutter while folded closed. The author conducted performance testing on the knife by subjecting it to a week in salt water followed by a week of drying without maintenance. The knife did not show any signs of corrosion or rusting. The author then tested the knife's cutting abilities on various materials such as fishing line, string, twine, ropes, and nylon webbing. The rescue cutter feature of the knife was found to work well, but the opening on the rescue groove limited the size of materials that could be cut using that feature. 4. Columbia River Knife and Tool. The article discusses Columbia River Knife and Tool, CRKT, an American knife company known for producing high-value knives, multi-tools, sharpeners, and related products. The author provides several reviews of different CRKT knife models, expressing their opinions and experiences with each one. They mention collaborations with well-known knife designers and custom makers, highlighting CRKT's focus on producing unique and interesting designs. The author also notes that CRKT offers multi-tools in addition to their knives. The article concludes with a positive customer service experience involving a warranty claim and the acquisition of a new CRKT knife. 3. Spring-Assisted Knife. This article provides a list of the best spring-assisted knives for everyday carry, EDC. It highlights the top picks in different categories, including the best overall, best budget option, most premium, toughest, and best for left-handed users. The article also explains how spring-assisted knives work and discusses their features and qualities. It clarifies the difference between spring-assisted knives and automatic knives and offers tips on opening a spring-assisted knife. The article concludes by explaining how the recommendations were made based on the author's experience and industry knowledge. 2. Olight Rattle Folding Pocket Knife. The Olight Rattle Blue Folding Knife is a lightweight folding knife with a durable plastic composite handle and a high-strength steel blade. It comes with a nylon fabric knife case, an Olight coin, a cleaning cloth, and an instruction sheet. The knife features a Tonto-style blade, a G10 compressed composite plastic handle, and a pocket clip that allows for easy blade deployment without rotating the knife after drawing. The secure liner lock ensures that the blade stays open while being easily unlockable for closure. The knife is sharp out of the box and requires no additional cleaning or honing. It has a blue handle color that is easy to spot and a weight of 4 ounces, making it convenient for everyday carry. The knife received positive feedback for its smooth closing mechanism, which adds an extra level of safety. The blade is securely held closed until intentionally opened, preventing accidental opening in a pocket. 1. CRKT EDC Folding Pocket Knife. The CRKT M1614 SFG EDC Folding Pocket Knife is a tactical knife that offers a combination of utility and tactility. It is designed to meet high standards and excel in various situations. The knife features bored holes on the handle for improved grip, even in challenging conditions. The Carson flipper serves as both a blade guard and a quick deployment mechanism. The serrated stainless steel blades cut through ropes and other materials easily. The knife is designed by Kit Carson and offers a balance of functionality, style, and comfort. It incorporates features like the automated liner safety for enhanced security during use. The knife is durable and can withstand heavy use. Overall, the CRKT M1614 SFG is considered one of the best tactical knives in its class, offering excellent functionality, style, and handling at an affordable price. Choosing the best automatic knife for self-defense is a matter of personal preference and legal considerations. However, there are some key factors to consider when making this decision. First, reliability and durability are crucial. You need a knife that you can depend on in high-stress situations. Look for reputable brands known for producing high-quality automatic knives. Second, blade quality and design are important. Opt for a blade made from a strong and corrosion-resistant material like stainless steel. Consider the blade shape and edge type that suits your self-defense needs, such as a Tonto or drop-point blade with a plain or partially serrated edge. Another factor to consider is the deployment mechanism. Automatic knives, also known as switchblades, have a quick and effortless deployment that can be crucial in self-defense situations. Look for a knife with a reliable and fast opening mechanism.